Hi, I'm Savio Disa, the producer of Karaoke World Championship India. You're watching Bollywood Adda. Please subscribe to the channel, keep liking, keep watching, and we'll really appreciate if you share this on your Facebook page. Thank you. वेल कैरोके वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप इंडिया हमने इस साल काफ़ी धमाके से लॉन्च किया है. गए 5 साल में हमने कभी ओपनिंग पार्टी नहीं की थी. सो वी हैड एन ओपनिंग पार्टी, वी हैड ऑल द सेलिब्रिटीज़ हु एंडोर्स्ड द इवेंट. और इस साल अभी हम हर सिटी में हमारी पहुंच नहीं है, बिकॉज़ फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमें कॉल आया गुजरात से. गुजरात में कैरियोके बाज है नहीं, बट इतना सारा टैलेंट है वहाँ पर. सो व्हाट डू यू डू? सो वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू टेक कैरियोके वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप ऑनलाइन, वेयर यू कैन अपलोड योर वीडियो एंड यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट, एंड who knows, we may see you at the India finale. I think singing एक ऐसा टैलेंट है जिसके लिए कोई टारगेट ऑडियंस रहना नहीं चाहिए, because I think personally I believe it is an all age group, people who want to express themselves. And with Karaoke World Championship, yes, we have an age barrier which is 18 and above, lekin we just want to take it to everybody in India, whoever has a reach. And आज ऑनलाइन मार्केट काफ़ी बड़ा हुआ है, so I think that's the most easiest thing. कुछ लोग लेज़ी भी होते हैं एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट राउंड के लिए, so we think you'll go online, you will sing, who knows, we love your voice, we love your talent, we love your videos, we may just get you on to the next round. So that's about it. Oh, we've had a very vast range of renowned names in Bollywood, right from Suleiman Merchant, Mansi Scott, Leslie Lewis, Remo Fernandez, Subir Malik from Delhi, Aditi Singh, Sharma, I've got Raghav Sachar, Miyang Chang, काफ़ी सारे बड़े बड़े नामचीन लोग हैं. शिबानी कश्यप, Luke Kenny. So we've had lots of big names who've been involved with us in Karaoke World Championship. In fact, उनका blessings है करके हम इस मोड़ तक पहुँच गए. And they've endorsed the brand. They've been very integral in handpicking the right talent to represent India in the world finale. And they continue to support us. And I also believe we have a lot of new celebrities who are associating with Karaoke World Championship, and we look forward to more participation in terms of support. Absolutely. आप अगर देखने जाएंगे 2011 से लेकर 2015 तक जितने भी इंडिया विनर्स हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव एक्चुअली मेड सिंगिंग देयर करियर. 2011 हमारे फर्स्ट विनर कमरान खुर्शीद जो कैलकाटा में है, ही इज़ फॉर्म्ड हिज ओन बैंड कॉल्ड द वॉइस. काफ़ी बेहतरीन काम कर रहे हैं. देव ऑलरेडी बीन स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग अब्रॉड. रूपन पावा जो हमारे 2013 के मेल कंटेस्टेंट थे, ही इज़ बीन ऑन द कलर्स इन्फिनिटी स्टेज. मेगा गिरीश 2011, शी हैज़ अ ओन बैंड. And everyone's actually creating their own platforms, and it's actually changed their lives. Definitely Karaoke World Championship is that's why it's our tag, we say changing lives musically since 2011. So yes, ये हमने हमारे पिछले इंटरव्यू में बताया था. 2016 में हम ऑलरेडी म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर्स से बात कर रहे हैं, एंड द 2016 winners this year we will make sure that they are recording at least one song, the male and female, with big names, maybe Meet Brothers, maybe Ankit Tiwari, but it entirely depends. जी हाँ, लेकिन उनको वो एक एवेन्यू हम ज़रूर देंगे. that's going to be a part of the prize. कितने सारे शादियों में हमने परफॉर्म किया है. I've hosted just 2 months back at Devangi Nishar from Hexaware, and Atul Nishar's daughter. Abu Dhabi में उनका शादी के लिए हमें फ्लाई डाउन किया था कैरियोके के लिए. पारेख का जो शादी है Mykonos in Greece. In Goa we've had Deepu Patel from Dubai. He had all his guests coming in from different parts of the world, from USA, from Lebanon, and Dubai, and Europe, and we had a great party. In fact, मैं karaoke as a host, when I host, it's not only karaoke, it's a lot of humor, it's a lot of interaction, क्योंकि सिर्फ गाना गवाना at a point थोड़ा boring हो जाता है, and we get people to interact with each other, and that's what makes the entire event fun. So I've been hosting not only weddings, लेकिन corporate events में हम लोग को इतना demand है between corporates. So हम एक fun championship करते हैं, and we we take it to a different level. I would love to, but हमें काफ़ी सारे calls आए थे in the past to sing as a singer, not as a karaoke person, not as a karaoke jockey. और मैंने ये avenue कभी नहीं लिया है, क्योंकि मैं personally समझता हूँ कि karaoke is karaoke and singing is singing. These are two different parallels. You cannot mix oil with water. और मैं जानबूझ के ये पर्सनली नहीं करता हूँ. I don't take up singing as a profession while I can get paid a lot of money. मैं ये पर्सनली बिलीव करता हूँ कि मैं किसी और का जॉब ले रहा हूँ और हम karaoke करके खुश हैं and we're very happy to entertain the crowd. But when it comes to taking up a job of someone else can get the opportunity. So I ये मेरा सोच है. मे बी मैं गलत हूँ, मे बी मैं सही हूँ, बट मुझे सही नहीं लगता कि बिकॉज karaoke is karaoke and I'm not really that kind of a superstar singer. But I think you just need to give everybody space.
Any final words for World Karaoke Championship 2016?
2016 Karaoke World Championship. We just have lots of surprises coming. We're working on something very big for the India finale. I'm going to keep that as a surprise, and it's going to be groundbreaking news if that happens. So please wish me luck, and I wish all the contestants a super duper and a very happy participation. Please make sure you enjoy yourself. Don't worry about winning, don't worry about losing, just come on stage and give it your best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Hi, I'm Savio Disa, the producer of Karaoke World Championship India. You're watching Bollywood Adda. Please subscribe to the channel, keep liking, keep watching, and we'll really appreciate if you share this on your Facebook page. Thank you.